Hi, welcome to Taste of Tang. It's Tang Yun here. So today let's make a traditional, very famous Chinese food, the fried chives dumpling. Today I will give you two ways, very simple, to make this dumpling. The one method is this spring roll wrappers. Yes, we can use this one to wrap the fillings. And this is the vitamins rice paper. So we can also use this to wrap the fillings. Okay, let's have a look what ingredients we need today. This is Chinese chives, and this is shrimp, this is sweet potato noodle, and this is eggs. That's all we need today. Yeah, the first step, let's cut the chives. Okay, the two way to make the dumpling is here. So it looks different but tastes all is very good. So let's try this first. 听听这声音。Wow. Wow. Very good. It's so delicious. Okay, let's give it a try. Wow, it looks beautiful. The wrap is very bouncy. It's so delicious. Hope you like it.